How to fight social anxiety. Social anxiety is the fear of being judged and evaluated negatively by other people, leading to feelings of inadequacy, inferiority, self-consciousness, embarrassment, humiliation, and depression. How can you fight social anxiety? 1. Talk. Cultivate the habit of talking to people and overcome shyness. This does not mean being talkative. By being able to ask open-ended questions, you engage the discussion to a deeper level. 2. Set up a hierarchy of fear. Rank each situation you may face in terms of levels of anxiety. Say, from 0 to 10. 0 means no anxiety and 10 would be a panic attack. Test your predictions at any given situation. Knowing these levels will better prepare you for any eventualities. 3. Do an activity you are comfortable in. When you are present in an environment or situation that makes you anxious, you can decide to start doing something you are comfortable with. 4. Challenge your negative and anxious thoughts. When anxious thoughts pop up in your head, identify and try to analyze them. Then challenge them. Tell yourself things will not always turn out for the worse. 5. Practice what makes you anxious. Sometimes all you need to do to fight social anxiety is practicing to do the things that make you anxious. A way of practicing is by simply visualizing the situations that make you anxious and think about them otherwise. 6. Don't focus on yourself. You may have the feeling that people may be staring at you when you enter into a hall. It is not always the case. So stop focusing on yourself. Instead, engage with people you encounter and focus on them. Keep in mind that no one is perfect. So be yourself. 7. Adopt a healthier lifestyle to reduce anxiety. Reduce your intake of alcohol, energy drinks, and caffeine. They act as stimulants and can increase anxiety symptoms. Exercise more and drink much water. 8. Act confidently. Learn to act confidently. In your social circle, be a keen listener but learn to state your point. Define your boundaries. 9. Find social situations and engage. Join social groups. You may consider registering in a social skills training class. This will enable you to gain skills that are needed in the social group or groups you want to join. 10. Take a breath. Learning to take a minute and slow down your breath can help you take back control of your body. Simply take a seat, get comfortable and take the biggest breath you've taken all day and hold it in for 4 seconds. Then exhale slowly, pushing out as much air as possible. If you loved this video, please subscribe and share.